Apple cider vinegar is obtained by fermenting apple. The benefits of this nutrient, which has been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times, are endless, and a new benefit is discovered every day. Apple cider vinegar, which is consumed at regular intervals, provides incredible benefits to our body and brings many physiological problems. What are the benefits of apple cider vinegar consumption? How, when, and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefit. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular apple cider vinegar consumption? Since apple cider vinegar is a fermented product, it contains gut-friendly probiotic bacteria like other fermented foods, especially the solidified structure called mother of vinegar in organic apple cider vinegar feed beneficial bacteria that are very important for the digestive system. In addition, since apple cider vinegar is a natural disinfectant, it destroys harmful bacteria in food. It facilitates the circulation of nutrients in the digestive system and prevents intestinal problems. At the same time, due to its active property, apple cider vinegar provides protection against cardiovascular diseases thanks to the antioxidants it contains. It takes very important responsibility to ensure the correct blood flow by increasing the blood flow quality. It creates a strong defense mechanism against cardiovascular diseases. In addition, apple cider vinegar has a powerful effect on lowering blood sugar. When added to meals or salad, it increases the sensitivity of tissues to insulin and significantly lowers blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar, which has incredible benefit for both the digestive system and blood sugar, ensures the functional quality of the tissues and the use of adipose tissue in energy metabolism as soon as it enters the body. In this way, it facilitates keto control. On the other hand, apple cider vinegar helps to remove toxin from the body thanks to its acidic structure and basically supports the functioning of the liver and all other organs. When consumed regularly, it raises the body's pH level. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in apple peel, plays an important role in reducing inflammation in the body, boosting the immune system. The vitamin C in apple cider vinegar helps to strengthen the immune system, protect the body against germs and bacteria, and is effective in quickly getting rid of diseases such as cold. In addition, thanks to the compounds it contains, it increases the amount of acetylcholine, which is related to concentration, problem solving, and memory improvement in the brain. At the same time, apple cider vinegar is very rich in antioxidants, flavonoid, phenolic acid, and vitamin derivative. Because of these properties, it shows anti-cancer abilities by protecting the body from life-absorbing cancerous cells. So, is there any harm in such a beneficial food? First of all, apple cider vinegar, which cleans the toxins in the intestines and feeds the beneficial bacteria, can cause stomach burning and stomach discomfort when consumed in excess without dilution. Drinking undiluted apple cider vinegar can be problematic for people with digestive issues such as stomach ulcers. On the other hand, since it is a fermented food, the rich plant extracts it contains are used in medicine in the medical world today. Therefore, if you have medications that you need to use regularly, consult your doctor before adding strong compounds such as apple cider vinegar to your diet. So how much and how to consume apple cider vinegar? Experts have determined the ideal consumption of 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar a day, 3 to 4 days of any week. In the light of this information, you can add apple cider vinegar to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well informed.